What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into the channel. So probably not the vehicle you expected to see when, based on the title saying, I'm really going to regret selling this awesome car. And you're right. There's nothing special about a 1995 Isuzu Trooper. However, this one does hold sentimental value. So it's my buddy's, like one of my best friends from high school. It's his high school car. And I've actually sold it one time before already. Basically, he was moving up to Idaho and was like, hey, I can't take this thing with me. So I traded him my mountain bike and like $200 for it. And then I think I kept it for like 2 months and I was like, okay, I'm just going to sell this thing. And then about 4 months ahead of his wedding, so this is like fast forward several years, I'm driving down the road and I see this thing on the side of the road. And I'm like, that's the Trooper. Like I could tell there was just a couple of things about it that I already know, like a broken off toe strap on the back end from when we pulled it out of the mud one time, and just a couple other things like that. And so I was like, okay, this is the car. And I ended up finding the owner. It was the same guy I sold it to, ironically enough. Bought it back off of him. And then me and my friends were like, dude, this would be the perfect wedding gift. Let's just give him back the Trooper. And so we went to work. We got it running a little bit better because it was sitting. It had flat tires, the whole nine. And so we got it running again. We put some bigger tires on it. We built some rock rails. We put a sound system in it because he had a sound system in high school. So we put that back into it. We built this roof rack because he always talked about wanting like a beastly roof rack on the thing. And so we put all that together, showed it to him. He was ecstatic. It was freaking awesome.
It's all yours, Hunter.
No way.
Yeah!
No way. It still smells the same.
You gotta pull the key out a little bit. What?
Yeah, ravioli.
No!
You just broke the key.
Then we'll get some pliers and get it started. Damn, Hunter, you were
I didn't believe it, Greg. How much did you pay for it?
$700.
Did you notice anything up top on it?
Here.
The roof rack, man. The beastly roof rack.
We ripped it around the parking lot a bunch, just like old times, because, growing up, we would go to, down here in Tucson, we have an off-roading area called Reddington Pass, and we would go rip it through Reddington Pass, like, multiple times a week in high school, because you don't have any responsibilities back then, so what else are you going to do? And we got this thing stuck in the mud a gazillion times, broke stuff. I think we blew the transmission up one time coming down the hill, and he threw it in reverse. Just a lot of memories in this vehicle. And, it seems like I'm trying to talk myself out of selling this damn thing. But, it is what it is. So, looking critically at it, like I had a conversation with my friend, and neither of us are going to get to this thing. Because, while I gave it to him at the wedding, he doesn't have any space up in Idaho at his house. And realistically, like neither of us are going to be able to do anything with it for a really, really long time. And it's just taking up space. And we've got some other projects that we want to work on. So he said, hey, go ahead and sell it. Keep the roof rack. I'll put it on something as like sentimental value, a memory to it. So yeah, we're gonna, I got a battery for it. We're gonna throw that in there, see if we can get it to start. It's been sitting here probably about a year and a half, but it probably hasn't really truly run in 2 to 3 years. I know it's got probably some vacuum leaks and a couple of other things. So we'll see if we can get those addressed, get those figured out, and see if we can get it running, at least decently, to be able to sell it. And yeah, I don't think there's really too much more to it. Follow us along as we get this thing going. And, if you're interested, and it's still for sale, hit me up. Get La Batteria hooked up. More power. Oh, something's drawing power. That oil. All right, that's give her a crank. I don't know if pumping it really helps in these things. Electronic fuel injection, but go ahead. Go ahead. It's out of gas. Okay. Hell yeah.
Hey.
That's horrible.
Oh, that's freaking filthy. Having fun there, Bill?
Just doing the things I love.
Just doing the things you love. So we're fairly certain the fuel pump's dead, so we're dropping the tank and put a new pump in it. We'll see what happens. All right, got the tank pulled out of it. That sucked. We're really dirty. This fuel pump was absolutely disgusting. You guys should have seen the inside of the tank. I forgot to record it, but it is not good. All right, we heard the fuel pump whirl. It is really trying. I hope that thing didn't clog up already. Take that trigger valve off, Greg. I heard. Hold up. I think we got a leak up here.
We definitely have a leak.
Okay. You want to crank it again? See what happens?
You don't have to crank it, just turn the pump.
Or, yeah, turn the pump on.
That's
Wait,
what I was
stop it.
saying. We could-
Oh, yeah, right here. I got it. Stop.
Do
Why don't we
you-
just tighten that
do you
down?
tighten it?
Okay, give that a shot. Let's see if that...
Oh, yeah.
So you got pressure now.
Yep.
Okay, now. Go for it. Yep. Oh, God. This thing is nasty. Okay, you saw it run. Bill saw it run. And we made a deal. He's traded me the slot mags and some slicks for the Trooper. And he's going to fix it and probably post it for sale and make a heck of a lot more than what those slot mags and slicks are worth.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. But we got to keep the roof rack because Hunter wants it. Sorry. Well, after cleaning some injectors, Bill had the Trooper back on the road with no problem. However, he did face crushing defeat when a tire blew out on him. Sucks to suck. If you enjoyed the video, give us a comment down below, maybe a like, and maybe even a subscribe. Stick around, and who knows, maybe you'll see this Trooper back on the channel at some point now that Bill owns it.